Are you a coffee enthusiast who craves the perfect cup every morning? Look no further than this Zulay Magia fully automatic espresso machine with grinder. Designed to elevate your home coffee experience, this machine offers 19 customizable coffee options, an auto-cleaning function, and an intuitive touchscreen. Whether you're a latte lover or an espresso enthusiast, the Zulay Magia promises to deliver barista-quality coffee with ease. Let's dive into what makes this machine a must-have for any coffee lover's kitchen. Why choose the Zulay Magia fully automatic espresso machine? 1. Versatile coffee options. With 19 customizable beverages, you'll always have the right drink for your mood. 2. Built-in grinder. The stainless steel conical burr grinder ensures that every cup is brewed with freshly ground coffee. 3. User-friendly touchscreen. The 7-inch display makes navigation easy even for first-time users. 4. Auto-cleaning and easy maintenance. With auto-cleaning features and dishwasher-safe parts, you'll never struggle with upkeep. 5. Customizable profiles. Save up to 10 user profiles, so every family member gets their coffee just the way they like it. With the Zulay Magia, you can explore a wide variety of coffee beverages, all from the comfort of your home. The machine offers 19 different coffee recipes, ranging from classic favorites, like espresso and cappuccino, to trendy options like flat white and macchiato. Whether you want a strong Americano to kickstart your day, or a creamy latte to relax in the evening, this espresso machine has it all. You can choose to use fresh coffee beans or pre-ground coffee, making it versatile enough to cater to your specific coffee preferences. The true beauty of the Zulay Magia lies in its ability to customize each beverage to your liking. This fully automatic espresso machine allows you to adjust coffee strength, volume, temperature, and even the milk froth level. You can create your own personalized coffee experience and save up to 10 user profiles, so everyone in the family gets their perfect cup every time. Did you know that most home espresso machines offer only a handful of drink options? With Zulay Magia's 19 customizable recipes, your coffee cravings are always covered. The built-in stainless steel conical burr grinder ensures that every cup is as fresh as it gets. This grinder is fully adjustable, allowing you to choose from various grind sizes depending on the coffee type you're making. Whether you prefer a coarse grind for a French press or a fine grind for espresso, this machine gives you full control. Plus, with the adjustable coffee drip system, you can fit different mug sizes without any hassle. Tired of inconsistent grind quality from your old coffee maker? The Zulay Magia offers a premium grinding experience, delivering freshly ground coffee with every brew. Maintaining a fully automatic espresso machine can often be daunting, but not with the Zulay Magia. This machine comes with an auto-cleaning function that takes care of regular maintenance, ensuring your coffee machine stays in peak condition. The removable drip tray, water tank, and coffee waste bin are all dishwasher safe, making the cleaning process quick and easy. The machine will even alert you when it's time to descale, further simplifying upkeep. Keeping your coffee machine clean is crucial for the best tasting coffee. Zulay Magia's auto-cleaning feature ensures that maintenance doesn't become a chore, so you can enjoy your coffee worry-free. The Zulay Magia espresso machine is equipped with a 7-inch touchscreen that makes brewing your favorite coffee drinks incredibly simple. The display is easy to navigate, with clearly labeled options that allow you to brew your coffee with just a press of a button. The dual coffee drip feature is perfect for couples or guests, as it enables you to prepare 2 cups simultaneously. There's no need to wait for a second brew. Both cups will be ready at the same time. Imagine waking up, pressing a button, and having 2 perfect cups of coffee ready before you can even finish brushing your teeth. The Zulay Magia makes it possible. When you invest in a high-end espresso machine, you want to ensure that you're backed by solid customer support. The Zulay Magia comes with a 1-year warranty, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. The company's customer service is renowned for being responsive and helpful, so if any issues arise, you can rest assured that you'll be taken care of. Final thoughts. The Zulay Magia espresso machine combines versatility, convenience, and quality, making it the perfect addition to any coffee lover's kitchen. Whether you're a fan of lattes, cappuccinos, or a strong espresso, this machine has something for everyone. The customizable settings, auto-cleaning features, and high-end grinder all work together to deliver an outstanding coffee experience, time and time again. If you're serious about enjoying cafe-quality coffee at home, the Zulay Magia is a top contender. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.